Well, hello from the village of Beddgelert, and Ian, what a fantastic place. Tell us something about the village.
Well, of course, the village is home to the world-famous Gelert's grave, which we'll be hearing about shortly.
Yes.
It's the centre of the middle of nowhere, fantastic place in Snowdonia, and home, of course, to the great copper mines of yesteryear.
Right, and on top of that, we've got views of Snowdon.
We can see Snowdon, we can see the Watkin Path, and we can see it's covered in snow at the moment.
Very popular place, very popular with tourists. Worth visiting, would you say?
Definitely worth visiting. You could spend a day just wandering around the village, never mind the walks and the mountains that surround it. Fantastic.
Shall we go and have a look at the view?
Let's have a look.
In the 13th century, Llewellyn, Prince of North Wales, had a palace at Beddgelert. One day he went hunting without Gelert, the faithful hound, who was unaccountably absent. On Llewellyn's return, the truant, stained and smeared with blood, joyfully sprang to meet his master. The prince, alarmed, hastened to find his son, and saw the infant's cot empty, the bedclothes and floor covered with blood. The frantic father plunged his sword into the hound's side, thinking it had killed his heir. The dog's dying yell was answered by a child's cry. Llewellyn searched and discovered his boy unharmed, but nearby lay the body of a mighty wolf, which Gelert had slain. The prince, filled with remorse, is said never to have smiled again. He buried Gelert here. The spot is called Beddgelert.
Many scenes for the film The Inn of the Sixth Happiness, which starred Ingrid Bergman, were filmed around this area in Beddgelert, and there's a plaque here that commemorates that.
The village is a significant tourist attraction. Its picturesque bridge crossing the River Colwyn, just upstream of its confluence with the River Glaslyn. Beddgelert has a range of hotels and guest houses, cafes, restaurants and pubs. The car park in the village provides the easiest access route for climbing Moel Hebog, the mountain which directly overlooks the village. Other local attractions include the Sugin copper mine and the Welsh Highland Railway.
Aha, Ian, what have you had?
Well, we bought a carton of eggs. They're very nice. They're all white and a couple of brown ones, but fantastic.
Excellent, Sam. What's that you've got in your hand?
A yolk.
Are you yolking?
Yes.
Okay. They look nice. How tall are those?
They're very small, as you can see. They're only 2 foot. Perfect for me. Exactly the right size.
Okay. And that, Ian, was Beddgelert.
It was. So, did you enjoy it?
I thoroughly enjoyed it.
Tell us all about it. 30 seconds.
Okay, chapels obviously were in Wales. We've got river, we've got bridges, we've got ancient buildings, we've got the grave of Beddgelert, we've got sausage and egg wraps, we've got motor cars obviously, we've got many pubs, motor cars, and we haven't been in any pubs, have we, Ian?
No, not yet.
Shall we go? Bye!
Paris and Barcelona, Spain. Lost your trail while in Amsterdam. I picked it up on the Isle of Man. Took the ferry back to Liverpool, just looking for